morning, everyone. I'm Mañalac, and I'm here today to present a business plan about our product called. So what is our product all about? It's your automated parking system. It's composed of automated cash payments and loading, made for convenience and safety, hassle-free, and make use of RFID detection. With our product, we can say that automated parking payment has never been so easy. The product is user-friendly. It ranges from 18 and above, on which it tells that as long as you know how to drive, you can use this product. So now we'll talk about on how Parkbot operates. Parkbot will have a sensor on which automatically detects your RFID on your car. There will be no close contact in the machine, and it will be purely digital. Payments will be cashless as well and will be reloaded via GCash, PayMaya, bank transfers, over-the-counter payments inside the mall, convenience store, etc. So, this is like automated doors that is for cars. When it detects the RFID on your car, it automatically deducts the fine for you to enter. And the gate opens. As easy as that. For a startup, we would like the RFID to have a price of 250 pesos. And for the future updates that we want to do in our product, prices may vary. As to the start of the product, there will be 20% discount to motivate the buyers to buy it, and self-advertise it after it sells. For the channels we want to use to sell our product can sell via direct selling, social networking, viral marketing, and by co-branding if given the chance. And then we have our organizational plan. To have an organized company, we have our mission and vision to be followed. Our mission is the foundation of our company is built on the values we uphold. Our business is conducted in an empathic, socially responsible, and in a safe manner. Our vision is to be a leading automated parking most admired by its convenience globally. And for a company to keep on running, we must follow the values that is an acronym of CRIC. C for committed, R for responsible, E for emphatic, E for efficient, K for knowledgeable. Next, we will talk about our goals and their respective objectives. To improve the employee's skills, we must conduct an exclusive training program for the employee in the next 12 months to enhance their skill. To increase the profit margin, we must increase our sales volume by 10% after 1 year. To reduce the production costs, we must research on alternative products to lower the costs. The next product is the skeletal workforce of our company. We have our CEO, our 4 vice presidents, and Sudan Ali project managers. As we can see, they have their respective salaries on which is presented on the screen. The facility that we want to build our company on will compose of manufacturing room, 2 restrooms, employee room, manufacturing manager office, company manager office, and the owner's office. On here, we will have the respective costs on each of the following: manufacturing, office, cafeteria or employee room, stock or optional, company room, maintenance, guard, security. So the total expenses is to be 2,141,540 pesos. Next, we will talk about the general selling and administrative expense budget. It's composed of fixed selling and administrative expenses, which is salaries, utilities, office rent, advertising, and other expenses. The total expenses that is computed yearly is to be 280,000 pesos. Next, we will go on to our financial plans. Here are the computations or financial plans that we need. We have our pro forma profit and loss, sales and marketing expenses, general administrative expenses, pro forma cash flow, balance sheets, financial ratio, and we projected that according to our computations, we will have a rise of 0. Now we'll talk about our conclusion and recommendation. The machine Parkbot is made only for parking lots right now, but there are other possibilities on which we can apply this robot. It can be on other facilities like parking lots or other toll booths. It can be used somewhere where a car must pay to pass through. So, expected ROI of this product is to be 190.72% in a time of 5 years. As for annually, it is computed to be 23.79% according to our computations, in which if you want to invest. The key factors on our company to be sustainable is we sell a machine that makes use of a product that we sell. The Parkbot make use of RFID that our company produces. In addition, we will have service that are concerned with our product's maintenance and the loading of these RFIDs. For the weakness of our product, there are only limited Parkbot to be placed on all the parking lots. There is not unlimited parking lots in the Philippines. There's also not unlimited cars that make use of RFID. So we want to say that there are fixed amounts of sales on which we can sell in this. Next, we will talk about the overall schedule on how our company operates. For the third week of October to the first week of December, we plan to do the incorporating the venture. For the completion of prototypes, this is to be done second week of December to the second week of January. Rental of facilities is to be done third week of January to fourth week of January. Obtaining critical financing is to be done first week of February to third week of February. Starting production is to be done fourth week of February to third week of March. And obtaining the first sale will be on fourth week of March. That is all. Thank you.